All right, beautiful family. So today we're gonna be about 30 minutes from Frisco, Texas. And as you guys know, I always love to show you guys the affordable inventory. I know a lot of you guys have been looking but just can't find on Zillow. This one's gonna be a 4-bedroom, 2 full baths, new construction home, about 18 to 1900 square feet. This one's gonna be in the east side of Frisco, like 30 minutes east side of Frisco, which is going to be Princeton. This one's going to be in the southern side of Princeton, which is going to be closer to Allen, about 15 to 18 minutes. I want to show you guys the full tour, so let's go ahead and check it out. And also, I want to show you guys what those numbers could look like as well. So stay with me throughout this video. All right, so as we see, this is pretty much what the neighborhood looks like. This is the home itself. Neighborhood still under construction. That side still under construction, all of that. But this one, it's the one going for $289,000. Beautiful neighborhood, beautiful neighborhood. This one, your down payment, if you're a first-time buyer, your down payment could be close to around $9,000, $9,000 to $10,000 out of pocket, and your monthly payment could be close to $2,000 as well a month. They do offer a lot of really good incentives right now, so that's the other thing I wanted to talk to you. But right as soon as we walk in, we're gonna have this long hallway. We're gonna have two bedrooms and 1 full bath. So this is gonna be bedroom 1, which could be a good office. You would have some really good, some nice windows there for natural light. That would be the closet. Then we're gonna go back out. This is gonna be the full bathroom number 1. The storage space there. This is gonna be the bedroom number 2. Closet space a little bit smaller on this one. Okay, let's keep taking a look. We're gonna be going to this right side. Laundry space, I really like that it's pretty much private and it can be closed off with the door. This is gonna be the 2-car garage. Comes out finished with the finished white paint. Sprinkler system there as well. So for this price point, you even get a garage door opener. A lot of builders are not doing that at this price point. So $289,000. A lot of people are usually looking within this price point, and it's really hard to find in Frisco, Plano, Allen, all of that. So that's why Princeton and the outskirts of Frisco are trending so much, because everything around Frisco and Plano is getting out of hand. Princeton is the only neighborhood where we can pretty much find you a big home, big 4-bedroom home for under $300. So some more closet space there. This is the beautiful open layout. Check it out. Beautiful open layout. This community is going to be electric, so no gas. Beautiful color palette. Let me know what y'all think about the colors. Some people are a fan of the dark brown, some people are not. But let me know your opinions on the comments. Really nice white quartz that they have here. Pantry is gonna be an okay size, not the biggest, but it's doable. And then here could be like a little coffee machine. Would really go there. Nice fridge. But you guys let me know what y'all think about this one. This is gonna be the little dining section. That's the full living room for $289,000. Y'all can let me know. Nice size covered patio. Right now it's sunset, so as you guys can see, sunset's really beautiful out here in the outskirts. Nice, beautiful sized backyard. You got some kids, your neighbors playing already in the trampoline. But yeah, so it's just like I said, it's really hard to find this amount of square footage with those big backyards here in the Collin County area. So Princeton is definitely one of my top options for anyone that's just looking to be close to Frisco and that don't want to pay those prices. And this is the primary bedroom, by the way, and this is going to be the primary bathroom. And also, we're about 5 to 10 minutes from the new McKinney Airport extension. So if you guys do some research on that, you're gonna love it as well, because that means it's gonna be a really good investment. McKinney Airport's gonna pretty much open some new gates that could be international. So that's always something to look out for in terms of growth. So that right there would be the little toilet section. One sink here. Still a lot of countertop space. This is gonna be the closet. It's a really good sized closet for this price point, $289. You still have some really good closets. Let me know what y'all think. But yes, so far that's pretty much the tour. Let me know what y'all think. If you guys are interested and want to come out and take a tour at this property this weekend, I'll love to bring you guys out here. You can text me, Rigo, I watched your YouTube video. This is my name, 214-713-4398. Text me that you want me to help you out so that way we can get in touch. If you guys call me, I get a lot of spam calls, so text is the best version to be in touch. So I do appreciate you guys for watching. We'll be in tune for the next one.